Trey Laddie, welcome Millstar Street Team. Hey, look, before we leave the studio, we gonna hit you with like 3 bangers, son. We got like 3 zillion bangers, but every day we gonna hit you with motherfucking couple bangers to let you know where we at and let you know that y'all niggas ain't fucking with us and shit. Time to go, you know what I'm saying? Before we leave this short shit, we gonna hit you with some short shit and all that. You know what I'm saying?
About to roll out on y'all bitch ass niggas.
On y'all loafing ass niggas, soft bread ass niggas.
I love all my fans though.
Bitches on my line cause they say that I'm fine. We break down sevens cause we don't stop dialing on my working meal sweating on my walking meal swag. If I'm lying then I'm walking cause I'm already down. Bitches on my line cause they say that I'm fine. We break down sevens cause we don't stop dialing on my working meal sweating.
I ain't walking, so you know that I ain't lying. Okay, we humans, I wasn't born with wings, but somehow I'm flying. Vodka in the clouds, by the way I bring the sky in. Globe in my palm, I smack your bitch with Thailand. Drool in my hand, I think her spit just flooded Japan. I ain't gotta get on my knees to catch a pass, no tight end, no pants, so my skin hold the ink of right in. With my bros, call, snap back, bring flight in. If the bitch is sweet, then we gon' stay the night in. I'ma roll some sheets, let the girls light it. Now they all on our dick, ride like a bike trick. And I left the toilet, cause I don't write shit.
If I'm lying then I'm walking cause I'm already fine. Bitches on my line cause they say that I'm fine. We break down sevens cause we don't stop dialing on my working meal swag. On my walking meal swag. If I'm lying then I'm walking cause I'm already fine. Bitches on my line cause they say that I'm fine. We break down sevens cause we don't stop dialing on my working meal swag. On my walking meal swag.
Sex sessions, condoms everywhere, sex sessions, whole lot of sheeps, smoke sessions, can't forget the studio cause those the best sessions. Woke up this morning, swag on them, 2 bad bitches half sleep in the yard. All I need is some sheets, fondue and recording, but I do it all day.
I'm Mash Bros. I'm Mash Bros.
Woke up this morning, Shamaya at my pillow. Daddy wake up and make me some cereal. With my eyes shut, I said, where your mother at? I had a late night session triple standard, sex, smoking, rapping, mixtape to an album. Word the bro Hayes, funnel got me tripping shoestrings. Word the bro Juan, we all broken light switch. Married to the money, Mary Jane is my mistress. 2 white joints and we call ourselves a beef burger. Stay in the booth like them telephone 4-quarter getting hit, taking off and rhyming at the same time. On and on and on, a lot of sessions, same kind.
Woke up this morning, sweat already on them. 2 bad bitches half asleep and they yawning. All I need is some sheets, fondue and recording, but I do it all day, every day, all day. Sex studio, sex studio, it's time for a session. Sex studio, sex studio, sex studio.
All this shit.
Sucker sheet.
I'm losing motivation.
That was the loudest butch real one shit, Neil shit.
Real shit. Real one shit. Don't fuck with that dumb shit.
Like we been ballin' so hard, we ain't need a break.
Ballin' so hard, nigga. I think I need a break, nigga.
I ain't shitting, man. I ain't talking doodle stains on exhausted and flossing. I ain't 2 chains, but I do sheets for the wall. On my own brains, another flight up the Jupiter.
Got my own planes.
Tired of shitting on these bosses, muscle new. I need a break.
He was laying on these suckers plus another banger made. Ain't no tunnel vision, peeping, all I'm seeing is the cake. With the reefer broken lights, which I am on
constantly.
rolling sheets and murky beef with Jones, heads and
Grizzly.
my hyena brothers really, you can miss me if you can't. Taking over barely sober if you see me in your sleep. Jumped up to the max.
Y'all don't even know, y'all can make this shit fun for us, though, for real. Y'all make this shit fun for us, bro. Send me down your phone whenever I have this one sponsor. No bullshit, real live, man. Y'all make that shit fun for us, bro.
I'm tired, no job, I'm retired. Man, I'm tired of shit, no niggas, and I think I need a break. You can't kick it like I kick it, you gon' get an ankle sprain. I'm tired, no job, I'm retired. Man, I'm tired of shit, no niggas, and I think I need a break. You can't kick it like I kick it, you gon' get an ankle sprain.
Yeah, I'm Corey Cash, and my family is
Court.
And even though I got no job, the bitches
Still be on me.
I ain't tripping if I'm sitting, so you not the toilet. Cause I be getting bread, call it ATM shorty. I be getting ahead, trying to walk my plan slowly. You can kick it like I kick it, you can go play softball. While I'm getting to the money, you be trying to get away. Now I'm sitting while I'm spitting, I ain't trying to talk your way.
Yeah, Team Spacely, nigga. Shout out to my man Don Reefy. Even though he ain't here right now, me and Grizz holding it down 2 out of 3, nigga. Yeah, nigga. Got my big bright yellow North Face. I'm prepared for the weather change, nigga. Wham, bitch.
I got them.
I'm tired, no job, I'm retired. Man, I'm tired of shit, no niggas, and I think I need a break. You can't kick it like I kick it, you gon' get an ankle sprain. I'm tired, no job, I'm retired.
Till my pressure get bad from any. Till my pressure get half from Henny. Spilling out my liver. Spilling out your liquor. Getting on these niggas. I'm still shitting on these niggas. Stop. Jump off the porch. Walking like a horse. Washing my Porsche. To my hood, show me reflections of the niggas I lost. Stay with me, nigga. Abe gon' stay with me. On them playgrounds, don't play with me. I'm tired. 9 to 5, holla at me on lunch shift, nigga. Niggas working, we ain't gon' never stop. Ain't no nigga on my team loafing, nigga. All of it strong. Walker Mill strong, nigga, but you can't smoke us. Tired. Tired. Think I need a break. Nigga, we out of here, nigga. Let me show y'all this big ass bag of chips before I leave, nigga. You know what I'm saying? Nigga. Nigga, that's the next single. I got the munchies. I got the munchies.
But just with us, though.
I got the munchies. I got the munchies. Nigga, that's gonna be the next single. We out of here. Fuck y'all.